Traders, I'm looking at the DXY. We've got this trending at the moment on the 4-hour time frame. But what I want to do is actually point out something. Let's just go back out to a daily and then we'll work our way back down. So just have a look at this price action. This has been trending really nicely. Okay, you can see lower low, lower high. The distance between these price swings is fairly significant. And what I mean by that is the high to low price swing is significant, and then we get the retrace, and then we get another fairly significant move to the downside. So the distance between this point and this point is significant, right? As opposed to lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, but only just. And then we do get, a bit of this price movement here. Okay, but just have a look at the difference between this section of the chart versus how it's been trading, I guess, is what I'm getting at. So what we're seeing here is somewhat of a base starting to form. And I mean, look, it could head further south. I mean, this could be a thing, and it tanks, and it could also be the beginning of a reversal. Okay, that's a possibility as well. In terms of today, a possible trade setup for today, let's just go down to the 4H. Yeah, I mean, I guess what I'm getting at is we're heading into NFP. We'll probably see some setups presenting themselves after NFP. Once we get through this the end of this week, hopefully. And look, I would love to see the dollar continue to trade south so that we have a clear direction. At the moment, we kind of don't. This is holding up here. At the moment, what I'm getting here is we've traded into these highs, so liquidity pool, and whenever you see price moving into a void like this, especially above a range, there are a ton of buy stops resting up in here that this is now tapping into. So I'm just thinking this could give us an opportunity to short this from perhaps this point up here. Okay, so I'll be looking for this swing high back down, into equilibrium. Okay, something like that could be an opportunity, for a day trade today, tomorrow. But just be careful heading into Friday. Probably Friday would be a good day to stay out of the market, I would think. But looking for an opportunity here, given that this is traded into this level, I would probably go down to a 15-minute time frame or a 5-minute and see how this is shaping up here. Let's just see if this, right, it's traded up. Okay, it's starting to range a little bit now. What I would like to see is that, and that, if it breaks structure here, could be an opportunity to get short. All right, target would be the base of this range back down in here. Well, actually, let's just grab a Fibonacci and go for 50% to start with. So I think, initial target would be 50% of the range, this range. And you could take partial profits at this point, pull your stop loss. Like if you do enter here, say short on a break and retest of this, that's a 1.8 R level. Okay, you could take partial profits, and at that point, if it does play out as such, I would then look to pull my stop loss down to break even, or better than break even, and then go for a decent outcome. So, partial profits, stop loss at break even, either way, then you are absolutely risk free, and that could be quite a nice outcome if it continues down. Guys, that's an idea for the DXY at the moment. And look, this idea is only valid if we see this break of market structure bearish, retest and fail of the range, right? If it trades above, if it happens to head north, okay, we abandon the idea, right? So that's no-go zone. Hope that makes sense, guys. That's my take on the DXY. With that, love to hear your comments. Definitely comment below, and I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.